Hi, and now we're going to look at your assignment for sociology. And what we're going to be doing is a video assignment, and it's due November 18, no later than 5 p.m., and that's the end of week 10. Now, the simple part of this is that it's just a research topic, and you just need to explain how the topic that you've chosen affects the Canadian society. Now, you might be wondering, well, what do I got to do it on? So you will find a topic suggestion document in the same place where this document is located. So that's in your folder for syllabus, assignment, and journal. And there's a topic suggestion there to give you some heads up about the kind of ideas. But feel free to choose whatever kind of a topic that relates to Canadian society that has some impact on it. Now, what you'll need to do is go and get 2 academically valid articles of interest that can help you answer your question, your research question. Now, please, no Google searches unless you use Google Scholar. But otherwise, I'd highly recommend you just use the Georgian College online library. You'll find the link in your document there, and click on the scholarly and peer-reviewed option, and that will give you academically sound research. And I won't have any questions about that at all. Now, what I'm going to ask you to do, because it's a video assignment, what you're basically going to do is create a video. Now, I'm suggesting, and I've created a tutorial on how to use it, but there's an online video screen recorder. It records your computer screen, and it's called Screencast-O-Matic. Now, if you're familiar with making videos using PowerPoint or Prezi, then you can use another software. However, it gets posted, a video gets posted only as a video link. In the same way that you share a video from YouTube, it creates a YouTube share link. Screencast-O-Matic does the same thing. And that means when you post your video, you won't take up a lot of space in Blackboard, so everybody can get their videos in too. So please, no MP4s posted. That just takes up too much space. So what I've done in page 2 is just to look at some of the main things to pay attention to. And then if we move into page 2, I'm just really then saying create a PowerPoint presentation like you would be doing if you were standing in front of a class presenting materials that you had created, done in PowerPoint or Prezi, and then write a script. Now, this is really important. All the videos that I make for your content, I am reading from a script because I write the script the way I think that makes the most sense. And then I read that script. It doesn't look like I'm reading because I'm using a teleprompter. Now, you won't be seen in your video. You don't have to show your face. Just screen record the PowerPoint with your content in it. It's a bit like what you're seeing in this video here. Instead of it being a Word document or a Pages document, it would be a PowerPoint presentation. And so what you're going to do is you're going to create this PowerPoint. You're going to have a script that you can read from that walks you through, what is your topic? Why is it important to Canadian society? What does your research now say about that kind of topic? And what's been your conclusion? And then you need to post your share URL for the video that you've made, the screen recorded video that you've made. I need your script and the 2 sources you got from the library in PDF format. Now, if you're not sure how to save a document as a PDF document, in the support videos, I've also made a video on how to take a Word document or Pages document and make it into a PDF. The library and the resources there, you can download your research as a PDF. Just check on the site where it says download as PDF. Now, the next step that's in there, please just note that there's a step-by-step instructions that I've tried to put together to help clarify what you need to do. Now, you may have a different approach to doing your assignment, and that's acceptable. Just make sure you meet all the criteria that's required for this assignment. Now, the Screencast-O-Matic, I have put the tutorials in probably 3 locations. I think I put it in support videos. I think I've put it in the syllabus and assignment and journal folder, and I probably have put it in week 7, sometime before your assignment is due. Now on page 4, the next page of our document, one of the things I want to highlight is that you've got to post the video link in your assignment journal at the end of week 10. That's on the November 18th at 5 p.m. And in there you need to put your script and your 2 pieces of research as a PDF document. Now, your video, it needs to introduce your topic. You need to present a summary of your findings based on only your research, no opinion. Okay, it's important here to keep this to your research. So that's why you need to summarize your research and need to understand the author's point of view. And then summarize, how does your research help you with the topic that you've chosen, and how does that affect Canadian society? And then you need to also have your 2 APA formatted PDF documents attached. Okay, now what gets handed in, I think I've been pretty clear. You need to make an independently created 10 to 15 minute video. Now that might seem like a long time, but when you do your proper investigation of your work and you walk through and have read from your script, you'll find 10 to 15 minutes might actually be a short amount of time. So I want it between 10 and 15 minutes. There's marks removed for being too short, and there's marks removed for being too long. Then make sure you're handing in a video link only, not the MP4 or an MOV movie. And then the PDF for your script and your PDF for your 2 pieces of research. Now this can be a fun topic. Don't leave it to the last minute. It becomes less fun. So look at the topic suggestions, come up with a topic, do some research, summarize the research from the author's perspective, create a script about what you want to say meeting all the expectations, create a video using Screencast-O-Matic or other software, and then post the video link and the 3 PDFs, and your assignment is done. Now I emphasize again, don't leave it to the last minute. And I would also suggest try Screencast-O-Matic well before you need it, just to make sure you're familiar with how to use it and that the tutorial that I make has helped you out enough. It's hard for me to help you 3 days before the topic or your assignment is due, and it's how to use Screencast-O-Matic. I can't help you with that limited time. So please, do everything in a bit more in advance, or ask me questions earlier and I will be more than helpful to help you out. All right, I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you look forward to this as much as I look forward to hearing and seeing your videos. Typically, they are very good and very informative, and I really enjoy seeing them. All right, everyone, good luck. Bye for now.